Good morning, students. I hope you are all okay at homes. Today we are here to start our new topic, email writing. This is our writing section part, email writing. In these days we are usually using that email to send our messages from one place to another. We are not using these days so much the letter writing or the telegram. Firstly, that we were using the letters or telegram to send our messages from one place to another. But after the invention of the internet, what we are using? Email only. By the internet, we are sending email from one place to another in seconds only. And it is very commonly used by the people for sending the messages. It is very faster than a letter or a telegram. And this is the advantage of this email. We are sending the digital images, even the photographs, even the big contents in some seconds without wastage of the time. And in this present time, it is very must. We have to know how to write an email effectively, and for that we have to learn some points how to write an effective email. Firstly, who want to send the email, he must have an ID. To whom we want to send our email, he must also have an ID. That's why he or she can send the email, or he or she can receive the email. And while writing an email, we must know how to write the email. Firstly, you have to follow the format. There is a proper layout, and we have to write in each part a proper thing. What is that? See here. In this part, we are watching that one content is written upside, and here is a hint box, and some words are written. See, 4 lines here, downside is blank area, and we have to write an email here. Read it. Like, first is date, means the date on which we are writing or we are sending the email. Okay, then we have to write from, means the email address of that person who is sending email. Then from where we will get that email, means we will get here in that written form which content is given to us. We will read this part and we will understand who is sending and to whom is sending. If the person who is sending, we will write the email address of that person in the area from, and to, in front of that area, we will write the email address of that person to whom we are sending the email, and that is given here in the upside area. Then subject, about which thing this email is written, related to which matter, and we will write here in the subject area. In that blank area, we will write here the content or the message we want to convey by our email. And we can use this hint box to write a proper email. But first of all, we have to see one example also. See here, one is given here. You are recently come to know the sudden death of your friend's mother. Write an email to be sent to him expressing your condolence. Means your friend's mother is dead now, and you have to show your condolence with her. Firstly, you have to write the date here, which is given. Then you will write here the address, email ID. See here in upside not given any email ID. Then you can add, you can use your ID or the other ID, or you can make any simple way ID. Then you will write here to whom you are writing. That means you will write that ID. Here is not given, but you have to. Then subject is condolence. Condolences means he is paying the regard. He is showing that pain which you are feeling for his mother's death. Then you will start, my dear Ankit, with salutation. As your friend it is, that's why you are using my dear name, your friend name. Then you can write here. Then your all words which you want to tell or which you want to express. Then in last, but you have to remember it, in last, the closing of that message or that email, you have to use a complimentary closing, means you will end with a complimation way. In last, you will write sender's name, who is sending, and then it will be finish of your email ID. And one more thing you have to remember, that is, don't use these short forms, means abbreviations, slogans in while writing an email ID, like, because you have to use the full word, not like this. You are writing you, not like this, you. Don't use the abbreviation or this small words, but you have to write the complete words. Simple vocabulary, short paragraphs in a short form, 2 or 3 pages, small, that is enough for writing an email. And will be with the complimentary clause, put signature in last, who is sending the email. Some points which we have to consider in our mind while writing an email ID. I hope you will do it, you will try it. I want that today you will try the first and second email, write pages 103 and 104 in your writing section book Brevia. Thank you, students.